We are going to talk today about removing the background from your images. I want to say first that you might be better off paying for a service to do this for you, but this might be a good option if you're getting started. Go to this website, remove.bg, upload any image from your computer or device. You can do this on your phone or on a desktop or laptop. Upload that photo. There's your original, and you see it pulled the background off. Now hit that edit button, and it's going to give you all of these fun little options for backgrounds, which you can do all sorts of things with. I don't really use these a whole lot, but it's a fun option to have and to know that you have if you need to make something kind of pop or look different than just a plain empty white background or empty background. If you see those little checkers, that means there's going to be no background. And then you can overlay that image onto your own images or graphics. Just showing you some of the fun little things here. Go to the farm, put stripes on. Let's play with those stripes. Okay, erase, restore. You can change the brush size to make it very small or very large, depending on how much you want to correct. Look at there, I can just erase all of my hair and part of my face and just leave my eyes, which can get really creepy. Now I'm gonna make the brush bigger because I know I want this whole area gone. And then I can just quickly wipe that away. And if I make it smaller, I can hit very, very particular and precise. You see that going on in my eye down there? Depends on how steady your hand is, how well you're going to be able to manage this. See, I didn't do so well on that one. Don't like what you did? Restore works the same way. You can even add a little writing. Hey. Now, what if you don't like it? What if you want to go back to where you started? Look, it's got a back, undo, and then of course the redo button. When you're finished, if I can ever get back to the original photo, you're just going to hit that download button, download image, and that will save to your device. Now, if you're on an iPhone, mine kind of gives me the option to view or download. If I download, it goes to files. So I usually hit view and then save the image. Hopefully you know how to do that. If not, let me know, and we'll do a quick little video with that.